Hello everybody, today a new product for you, Wi-Fi smart bulb. Yes, this product uh, it's a new one, but you can find some same product in the market, but this product have some different. What is my different is because the price. The price is very surprised. $9.9. Yes, and now if you want to buy the product, you can contact me or you can go to the AliExpress store. The link is below the video, and you can go to the link to buy the product, or you can contact me by WhatsApp, WeChat, or email, and you can tell me something you want to ask. If you have any question, you can ask me. And now I want to show how this product work. First, the packet. Yes. And this package is maybe it's the first generation, and maybe next we will have some new package for this bulb. Okay, let me open it. Dun 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 dun. Okay, it looks beautiful. Yes, and we have another one. This is a normal light, yeah. And this is the smart one, and this is normal one. Okay, now I want to show you. Okay, and this is the brand link smart product. Yes, you can control it different jack. You can control turn on this on off, and you can also control it together. So this product is very zero. Yeah, now I will show you. Yes. Okay, here, and it can work, right? Yeah. This is normal white color, and this product can have many color. Next, you must download an app. This one, you can research it in App Store or you Google Play Store. Yeah, it's very easy to download the app now. Because I have already connected this product, so it's sure it is online. Yes, this one is online. Now it's offline because I turn off the switch. Now I turn on it. And maybe you want to ask how it connect to the smartphone. It have a manual, English manual, and it's very easy. And because there's some Chinese, but it doesn't matter. The app will support English and Russian, so so you don't worry about it. because my iPhone problems and it shows Chinese. And now I will show how it work. Okay, and I want to red color. Yeah, this is a red color because it's in the screen. I find it's show white, but in fact it's red and blue. Yeah, green. Yeah, and there you can also dynamic. Yeah, and you can I touch this bottom. I can switch slowly and fast. It's become slowly. This 1 minute slowly and this 1 minute fast. If you want the light change fast, you can switch here. It's become fast, right? And this one, it's different color. This one, slowly. So the function is very good. The most important is the price. I shot this videos just want to show you we sell the product and we have a good price for it. We want to make promotion of this product, and I found many sell on Amazon and sell this product very well, but on AliExpress and the series not well. So I want to sell this product on AliExpress, and we have good price, 9.9 USD dollar for this product, and but the original price is about $15. So this is a very big discount. If you want buy this product, just remember contact me. Okay. So this is a word about this product, and you also can control the light by voice. I can use Chinese to control it, and it also can use English or Russian to control it. 关闭灯泡。
关闭 Wi-Fi 灯泡成功。
Yeah, I need to turn off the light, and now I want to turn on the light. 打开灯泡。
打开 Wi-Fi 灯泡成功。
And this product also can work with another Alexa. This one, it can work with it, but because in China we can't use this product, but some people can use it. I don't know how to connect with my Wi-Fi this one, so I never use it to control the device before. So I just buy this product for taste, but this two product can work together. Yes, and you can also control the light in the app. Turn off the light. Yeah, so at this time it can't understand the English because my app is Chinese, so it can't understand it. When the app is English, it can understand English. So this is very funny, and so I recommend this product to you. And at the same time, this brand have other product like the plug. This one, yes. It's a smart plug. EU tap. It looks beautiful. and it have a USB. In this video, I don't want to test this plug. Maybe I will make another video to show how this plug work. But in fact, all smart plugs have only the same function, is on off, right? If you want it on, you can use your smartphone to remote control it on. Then it connect to the power. If you turn off this plug by your smartphone, it will disconnect with your power. So today, this is what I want to show you. Remember, if you want to buy the product, just contact me. Just go to my AliExpress store to buy it. And the price is 9.9 at this time. Take your time, and if our link sell more than 200 orders, we will back to normal price, 15 price. So take your time. This is what I want to see. Thank you so much for you watch my videos. Thank you.